What if I told you that 2025 could be the year you break free from your 9 to 5? But here's the catch. Most people will miss the opportunities I'm about to reveal. Will you? Problem statement. With inflation rising and job market shifting, relying on a single paycheck is risky. But there's good news. Side hustles today aren't just about making extra cash. They're about building wealth. AI isn't coming for your job, unless you let it. But what if you worked with AI instead? Offer services like YouTube scriptwriting, blog posts, or social media captions using tools like ChatGPT. Businesses are hungry for content, and AI helps you deliver faster without sacrificing quality. Pattern interrupt. Seriously. Why write 10 blog posts a week when ChatGPT can do it in minutes? What if you could get paid while you sleep? Sell digital templates, ebooks, or online courses on platforms like Gumroad or Etsy. Create it once and let it sell forever. Excitement trigger. Imagine waking up to an email that says, "Payment received." Feels good, right? The TikTok era isn't fading. It's booming. Edit short-form content for influencers and businesses. Tools like CapCut and Premiere Pro make this faster than ever. Pattern interrupt. Let's be real. Everyone wants to go viral, but not everyone knows how to edit. That's where you step in. Now, the most powerful hustle of 2025. Create faceless YouTube channels with AI voiceovers and stock footage. Monetization potential is huge. Ad revenue, sponsorships, and affiliate links. Urgency trigger. Right now, this market is hot, but it won't stay unsaturated for long. Recap. From AI services to YouTube automation, these side hustles aren't just about money. They're about freedom. Final emotional push. The only difference between those who make it and those who don't? Action. So, which hustle will you start today? Subscribe for more ways to build wealth and take control of your future. And if one of these hustles caught your eye, drop it in the comments. Let's get it.